Juvenis.
How far? Been waiting the apple Oh man, remove the glass, man. Soon now, where? This glass. Was in a packaging. How far now? Agree to now. Everybody, you don't tell you. I don't see myself. Agree to now, put way up. Everybody now. But I like putting the apple, you know, Globalcom has been doing this for a while, for years. About like 10 years. And we all know how they've been doing it. Technically free shows, music, comedy, go from one place to another. Can we give Globalcom a round of applause? It's not easy to they burn this kind of money. Not be small money chairman release for this store, for this recession. Oh, the money plenty. Because as this store they go on, the music store don't come here. When I see all the artists, they cost to P-Square alone 15 million. Wait first, they don't come here, but they go other places now. Not their fault. But P-Square alone, 15 mil to just do bah. Money don't go. But wait. 15. Me? No, I be ambassador now, so they need to pay. Oh boy. Don't be smart, the groove don't be here. But when you go to calculate the way we recession, this recession bad though. It bad to the point where it say even wish don't they suffer. You know those pots or those plates where they put for roundabout, where they put food inside. You know they put food inside again. Those days when you go those roundabout, you just see better egusi soup with like 4 meat with hot eba. Now, as recession enter, the meat got reduced to 2. Later, 1. Now no meat. After a while, they will just bring the garri with the ingredients. With the wish cook am by himself. All the wish where they been, I know say ulcer go don't kill them. The wish where they Lagos, those are they didn't see road at all. Go see wish they enter pharmacy, they say I will not get anything for stomach pain. I swear, the recession back, they call they do, oh, this whistle blowing, I can spoil everything. Whistle blowing. But guess what? All these whistle when they blow up and for small money, how much they don't see? But it's something $1 million. But we know say they're still billions of dollars. That's why they call them whistle. Another code. Now whistle because now small money. When they start to do the big one, now trumpet. This Ziani own. That not be trumpet, now orchestra. So now full choir go sing for our own. Oh, Ziani. Oh, Ziani. $25 billion. Ziani. Thief. Oh, but they pack money. Don't be smarting. I know there's some men they way business they born. So men they spend money. As all those Mongo Park where they like that hush puppy with him that cow name. That one they born, no be 3 point something million. That they born for drink, champagne. You see some people go they pop champagne, 450,000 naira for champagne. Where you go peace. So it's me, Okwacha Bright now go carry 450,000. How much be plasma TV? 52 inches, 220. So which means I go drink plasma TV with DVD player and stabilizer. I'll just drink them. Me, I'm not talking. The day where I go use my money, my own money, buy drink of 200,000, champagne, 200,000. I don't go peace for 2 weeks. And anybody will follow me share that drink, I go follow you go everywhere. You cannot peace. So the person I don't hold the prick. I say, my brother, I need the piece, this piece. Brother, hold that piece. They Chris, you want use my own piece, drink my punish devil. And so my wife tell me, say, go groove for Quillox. You know, even pick better club, expensive club, Quillox. Quillox will be say just to enter inside, say, be air, blow you na money. And she say, go Quillox. Me, her, Bovy and Bovy wife, 4 of us. Nothing I say, babe, no go spend. Now 20K be my budget. Because me, I no send. I know those send they show or already concern me. They not say me pop champagne before. For yeah. Champagne. It's smart. Not say we be celebrities in a way. So if you want, you know hard. We don't enter club. We must know somebody. I just will bring empty glass. Hey, I'm fine. How you did? Long time. What did that? Hennessy. I greet like 4 or 5 people. I don't drunk. I tell my wife 20,000 max. She say, okay, but what can 20,000 do for her? I say, you and Chris Ebana go drink two glass of cocktail, 335. That is 14,000. Me and Bovy go drink one bottle of beer, 2,000. That's 18,000. The 2,000 balance, I go use and give bouncer. We don't agree. We enter club. Me and Bovy dey one corner, they gossip. My wife and Bovy wife come dey one corner. Me they order cocktail, they no order. And they look there. Me and Bovy they talk. The next thing, I see 2 bottles of rosé with sparkles. They go. Come they go their direction. The thing they go. Now I tell Bovy, now you order. Bovy say no. Because my wife do that kind of thing. Now I provoke. I say, Bovy, no be tell her. I say no. Now I start to walk out, go there. Babe. Now she just see me. Say, baby, go back. Now that guy will sit down there, buy another. Now I just stop. We avoid our wife throughout that night. Now what we don't do since me and Bobby, we don't carry our wife, then just keep them, just stay one corner. People they buy drink, if they buy fish, we carry them go house. People they burn money. Back up people suffer this period and they pray make the country better pass as it is so. Because to the point where he be say, you see this way they talk say wish press person, now lie. Nothing like wish with the press. Wish to the press. Now hunger. Now hunger, you know eat sleep. So laziness now make you no feel stand up. But you they blame and wish self the shock. Say, but I no press am. We they lie put for wish. Nothing like wish when they press, nothing like that. Hey, press, you don't ever see Adenuga, Femi Otedola, Dangote, come church, come say praise the Lord. Wish been press me. But I thank God I saw Jesus Christ's name 7 times. They can't leave me. Back up, poor people. And they talk that thing. For where how okay, most say wish now won't go press Adenuga for that big house. Don't see Adenuga house. Stadium. That be the BQ. House big. Where the wish won't start from? The AC where that place. Mortuary standard. Pneumonia now go kill the wish. You enter and say, hey, Jesus Christ. The wish go say Jesus Christ. Ooh. How you want use press? Chairman will be say don't chop money to the point where be say you know if you talk again. No, not yes, chairman talk. That's why they talk. You don't say I'm an interview. You know if nobody they hear what they talk. Money don't block in throat. That's why if you notice some big men, now 3 things you go use know when man get money. Then they get thick voice, then they drag words for long, then they laugh for no reason. Those 3 things. One called me the other day. Hello. Is this basket? I say yes, sir. Waiting funny, I don't know. So basket, my daughter is getting married. They drag words. Rich people. Now, Paco people, they say, they press. I like. Paco, me personally, I be Paco, una know, na no be the same person they talk. Una know I be. Those days, I trek, you see this Uboro Road from Ekosodi at the trek reach Ohomba line. Not be joko. I trek to the point where they say my shoe no road. If I remove the shoe like this, the shoe they trek, they go where you know. Not be smart, you know. I mean personally, I dey protect my children because what thing they happen for this world? This world don't spoil, oh. This world don't spoil, finish. Everything is now sexual. Sex. Strip clubs everywhere. Girl, fine girls now they wipe to collect money for what? Be men, we be goddess. That's how they protect my children. And they protect them. Die. My 2 daughters, hey, I die. I don't even let my daughters eat banana, full banana. Like when they hold banana, come they chop her. Hey, bring her come. Ma cut her small. Bring her come. Bring knife. Eat her like chin. They pick and they chop. Like granola. Chop her like granola. Say, Daddy, I want to hold it. Don't hold it like. Hey! Leave. Eat it small. I have to protect them because they go get used to this thing now. They go, hey. They're not go shock when they see her in real life now. Because this world don't spoil. Oh. Before, sex was sacred. Sex not be like this now. If woman wipe, she dey code. If her friends ask her, so have you had sex with Lucky? Come on, stop asking me that question. Stop it. Come on. Simple. Now, big woman wipe man. Jessica, how was it? That idiot. That's what it be. Now tickle me till morning. It's just a thought. It don't spoil. Women now, any small thing they want me to lalo. Nothing they pay me past that. How you go? The person won't kiss you. You say make her go here. Or you people go punish them and they start this rubbish. Those days, sex was religious. That's what I call it the missionary style. Everything Oyibo people carry come. Woman go lie down. Man go climb. Fear you come. Nobody they judge you. Now they say make they do. Recently, one of my guys, they tell me, say, in girlfriend, say, make him stand up. Make them stand up, wipe. Stand up? To stand up? You feel stand up on your own? You won't come carry a rapper. And your girlfriend, you see Nyash be like speaker. How you want to do it? The guy said, don't worry, I want to show her that I'm the boss. Oh, yeah, now. Go boss your life. The mumu cow. So you carry the babe. But notice one thing I make you carry her. And that thing made the guy enter. Constant struggle. Wait, just wait. Wait, never move. Wait, just hold my back. Wait. Yeah, carry your yash go up. Wait, you never enter. Wait, I must start again. Oh yeah. Wait, no move. Wait, no move. 2 hours. Sex, they don't turn sex to sports. Carry me up, turn me like this, bend me here, don't come, where make I go? You want me to do it for 2 hours? Idiot. If you be professional, wear your complimentary card. They know these strip clubs. Now, you get strip clubs for Bini. That one, they annoy me pass. Who Bini? Are you serious? I bet now let me know where they are. No, be say I won't go do research. Oh boy, the thief. I travel out, go Yankee one time. They call carry me go on strip club. DGs. So I enter SIBC. Then they shame. I say they walk up. Yeah, shows they walk up and down. So which can be this? How much to dance to one song? $30, 15,000. That time dollar now like 500 naira. You just do this thing. 15K don't go. I no go touch. I no go kiss. To press self, you get to press with care. So no problem. I say I come back Nigeria. Can't go Silver Fox or VI. You see strip club, you see babes. And one babe just come with me. Hi basket. Do like a lap dance? I say, no. She say, come on. I say, okay, no problem. How much for one song? And she say 100,000. Say for folk or for dance. Come on, you're so funny. Just the dance. I say, And song now don't they reduce. Before song now 5 minutes, 6 minutes. Now 3 minutes, 20 seconds. I won't give you 100,000. Make you dance for me for 3 minutes. Just to shake. 100K don't go. I say no problem. You do it. She don't know say I know the DJ. Now I send text, give the DJ. Play Fela. The shortest Fela song now 1 hour 47 minutes. You go work that money today. As the music starts, she don't know the song, so she confused. Yeah. Let me sit down here. 5 minutes, don't go. 15 minutes. 1 hour. Fela never talk. Now only instrumental. Fela wicked though. And Fela sabi the sick people who come do I say music won't end. Hey! She just happy they walk out they go. Now she hear ajigichi, 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 ajigichi. Put the boom boom put the boom boom put the boom. After 1 hour 30 minutes, she said, "Bros, I bet you give me 10K." Mozupu, give me here, idiot. Oh boy, you know it's you. All this rubbish. And the thing they pay me pass for the matter, they say that now everything now they sexual. You know, say if you tell any man, say, oh boy, you know, say if you mix foul shit with good shit, come mix them with beans, we don't spoil. They make your thing strong. I swear, foul shit go scarce for Benin. Anything sexual they sell. Anything sexual. Sex is the highest seller in the world. And Oyibo people know. Then the shark die. And women, they lucky. Women don't get problem. Think women, they get all type of toys. They will use the one for different things. You go see rampant rabbits, this one. You put and get there. They don't come. Men no get nothing. The wicked also, no only hand and oil. You call the watch, they help yourself. That's how they tell men sometimes, if they do this thing, then they use only one hand. They change. Because when you don't overdo one with your left hand, that's how you go be. People go say, man, this guy they gym for only in left hand. So try me if you use small here, you do small here. Women, they don't go far. If you see toys, I go one shop like that for Amsterdam. If you see the toys we then get, men no get one. And they pray, and they just bring one. Aye. I swear, women shakara go end today. The one way be say, not be even toy. May just be say if you take the pill, you go just come. Please don't quiet. And they think I'm being. Think I'm say a drug day like paracetamol. If you just carry and just drink them, you drink them maybe like 15 minutes. Oh boy, I want to go sleep. No girl go fit do. A shower go suffer. When you go meet one girl for club, hey, how now? How much for the night? 30,000. Sister, no worry. When are my drugs? Come na queen. Give me come na queen. The girl go say, oh God, calm down. How much you want pay last night? Imagine that thing, they go sweet oh. They go see where men they go shop. I bet get the new one. Calabar girl own. But Benin don't calm down. Oh, those days, old day school, 1998, 97, we Benin rugged. For a coast at that time. And when they fight those, they are war. Now those local guns that they use, those guns, say if you shoot one bullet, the thing they hot. You know if you shoot more than once. As I go see when men want those they are war. Go put. Just wait, make my gun cold. Just wait, make the gun cold. You go die today. God punish you. Gun go day they hot. Psst, no worry, just wait, just wait. But things done better now. I like what's going on, right? I enter Benin, see the roads on the better. Are you guys happy with what's going on? Correct. I like what's going on right now. Okay, the gift, Abi. I'll give her the gift. Make her. Yeah, do that. No matter no vex, they say make her give out gifts. during my performance. So I'm going to be calling on my chairman very soon, like RMD, really the old Benjamin Button. RMD just a fine every time. I just a vex. 50, waiting now, 59. Eh? Well, they try. All these actors and actresses, very patience. Madam, I greet you. They act. We watch Nigerian films now. Bad. Unlike before. I watched one film one time. Basically, somebody died. But inside the coffin, they sweat. No be joke. Oh. The guy no say camera there on top of him. So he did the coffin like this. No be joke. I remember the name of the film. So in the people they cry, in just the coffin. Sweat won't kill him. Nigeria film that die. But one thing we say they don't do for Nigerian film that they are kissing. You know, say before if they want kiss, they will cut that side. I watched one film with that guy with Sabi fight well, Jim Ike. The guy kiss better kiss. They happy. It's good. Very soon now Nigerian film now they go they do. You go reach that level very soon. Just watch. But do you realize that Nigeria is the biggest export when it comes to movies in Africa? With the killer mode. The same thing with music right now. Musicians don't blow. Comedians say, they try small. Don't see what things happen right now. To the point where we say, this sex thing that not so common. Where we say, right now, man, they do woman openly. See girl, they will come with girl for inside club, they kiss. They don't ban men, Onabi, gay people, 14 years, which is a stupid law. Why go sentence them to 14 years in prison? Stupid. It is stupid. What did they do for prison? No be gay. You sentence 2 gay guy to prison. Now honeymoon, you don't sentence them now. They go fuck from the day where they enter till they release. For that 14 years, you go see their hips go down big. No be punishment be that. And you know say that only men they set that law for. They don't face lesbians. Only men. You know why? Because women, their own, this sensual. If you hear where 2 women they touch themselves for inside room, it is sweet to hear. Could you hear? I like that. Ooh. Between 2 men won't talk for inside room. We could turn anybody on here. Oh boy, rub my belly. Yes. Rub my chest. Rub the beer from my chest. We do the copy. We don't do and pass themselves to the point where we say our normal local, no be no call them local, our normal girls for here now. Girl we never travel before, they will come the moon during like say them the Oyibo people there. Wait, shut up. Moon normally like a traditional Nigerian woman. Yeah? Shut up. Read Nigerian women they like warriors. That's how it should be. Now warriors will be. Yeah, they do all this rubbish. They don't spoil that to the point where they say, and they tell people most see that they just say lalo for men to go lalo. Don't go say you won't go lalo, woman where you just meet to. You don't know the area. Whether I come and clear, you carry him out, go put there. Swallow your neck will call you lose weight. You just say they worry you from village. You don't swallow everything. Your neck don't fit stand again. Some people will come lalo finish. The lalo can't wear condom as you want wife. What if they wear condom for where you don't swallow everything? Idiot. You don't die already. I tell people sometimes, see that lalo thing, if you want one, the game won't give it to me, say make a lalo before I marry you, the guy say make a lalo, and the area don't go there, the area not too, you know. I don't know as I go which tell and say, my sister no fit to because now I won't tell woman, say the area no so I just put hand there. That's with the romance. I just put hand small. Later, like 2 minutes later, I just carried the hand near her face. She said, what's that? I said, So you don't say as I be, you don't say as I be, They say the governor won't go. I be deputy governor. Moga, greet you. Oh no, sorry. How you doing, sir? Oh, wait, when I come out. Moga, sir, at your service. We'll come later in the evening, Abi. Since Buhari I the red for this government, we'll go there. They need to settle us again. Thanks for coming now, biscuit and mineral. So now all this crowd now follow the deputy governor come. Like mass choir. Only deputy governor, which means the governor now this whole hall will follow and come. And some of these guys they be PA to the PA to the PA on domestic issues, to the PA of personal affairs.
We thank you for commenting on our videos. Please keep commenting. If you've not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so for regular updates. Keep watching Juvenis and keep buying Juvenis.
Juvenis is published bi-monthly by Peanuts Communications Limited. For enquiries, event coverage or advert placement, call 0803 360 8271, 0805 787 1199, 0702 811 3638 or 0808 152 4499 or visit www.juvenis.peanuts.net. Juvenis Magazine, inspiring the young at heart.